G'day guys, Brendan here. Ready to draw the first Raff on the BDU draws site. 40 spots, as mentioned, I dropped from 50 to 40. We're going to get the choice of any of these: Polaris, Wind Waker, Wickham's Raymond's, Parkway, or Thornhill. Head over to Wheel Decide. We have 40 spots. I got everyone's name all listed down there. 3-second spins and remove choice after it's landed on. I'll whack a timestamp in back over here. It's 8:23 Melbourne time. Okay, that's all in there, good to go, 8:23. Good luck everyone. I will kick the wheel off and get it going. First out is Caleb. Russell. Gus, Gil again, Caleb, Gil, Murray again. Gus, Michael, Murray, Russell, Gus, Gus again, and again, there's your hat trick, sorry mate. Rob, Caleb, Rob, Michael, Wes, Russell, Rob, Russell, Gus, Rob, Wes, Michael again, Gus, Gil, James, Russell, few to go, Michael, James, Gus, Michael. Looks like I've got two left, Wes and Michael. Unlucky runner-up is Wes, which means Michael Wooler. You're the winner. Well done, mate. Shoot me through a message. Let me know which one of these you would like, and I'll get that out to you. Thanks again, guys, for playing. I'm going to whack another one up today, and I think I might have a Trivium box set that I might put on there today, if there's any Trivium fans. Cheers, guys.